Okay, now let's look at alternate angles. So what are alternate angles? Alternate angles are those angles which lie on the opposite sides of transversal. Okay, first thing, what you have to remember, that they lie on the opposite side of transversal. In corresponding angles, we learned that they lie on the same side of transversal. Here we come to know that they lie on the opposite sides of transversal. Second thing is both are interior angles. In corresponding angles, one angle was exterior and other one was interior. But here both the angles will be interior angle. And third thing which you have to remember is that they are always equal. They are always equal. And they will always make the shape of Z. This is something to remember, and that's why I've written with in pencil in bracket. Okay, corresponding angles, which shape they make? They make shape of F. To identify corresponding angles, you have to look for the shape F. And to identify alternate angles, you have to look for the shape Z. Okay, now I will tell you how to identify alternate angles looking at the shape Z. This was the original figure. Okay, why I am saying the original figures? Because in the beginning only I have showed you properties of parallel lines. I have showed you these are the 8 angles they are formed. From this figure I told you what are corresponding angles, and from the same figure I am telling you what are alternate angles, and that's why I am saying original figure. Okay, which I am using to tell you different kinds of angle which are formed on parallel line. Okay, so now let's come back to your alternate angle. Okay, so what are the conditions you have to look for? One thing, they should be opposite. Okay, second thing, they should be interior, and they should make shape Z shape, and they will be always equal. Okay, now opposite side of the transversal, this and this are the opposite side. ठीक है, ये एक साइड है, इसके opposite ये है, ये एक साइड है, इसका opposite ये है. So opposite side of transversal. Interior, yes, these 4 are interior angles. कुछ भी exterior नहीं है यहाँ पर. Okay, these 4 are interior angles. Okay, they will make the shape of Z. If you look carefully this figure, I have highlighted Z, one in black color and other one in purple color. Okay, so one angle, one pair of alternate angle is C and F, because this is making Z. Okay, that's why it is alternate angle. It is making the shape of Z. See the black color, this and this. So angle C and angle F is one pair of alternate angle. Angle C and angle F both are equal. Okay, if the value of angle C is 50 degree, then value of F will also be 50 degree. Okay, so they lie on the opposite side of transversal, they are interior angle, and they are making the shape of Z, and they are equal as well. Now look, the purple Z. Can you see this? This. Ignore the black part. Just see the purple Z. This, and this. So this is also alternate angle. Angle D and angle E. Why? Because they lie on the opposite side of transversal. They are interior angle. They are making shape of Z. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. If you remember that what shape they are making, how you will identify what are the properties of interior angle, what are the properties of alternate angle, what are the properties of corresponding angles, you will remember them. Okay, if I give you this complete figure also, I can simply tell that this is alternate angle C and F. D and E are alternate angles. Okay, because this is making Z. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now I am moving on to the next angle, that is interior angle.